Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to crochet this stitch. So it looks like a window and there's a like level, so for me it's like a building level with windows. Okay, so I will show you how to crochet this is very simple. Okay, so we need three different chains that we're going to use in this tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so for today, for this tutorial, I will be showing you, or I will be using the hook 3.5 millimeter hook, okay, and the orange yarn. And to begin, okay, so we are going to slip knot. Okay, so wrap the yarn around your finger, okay, and then open it up, okay, and insert your hook, okay, and pull the yarn to close. Okay, and then we're ready to start. Okay, so to start with is we're going to chain. Okay, so just chaining randomly. Okay, so I will be just like showing you how to do it anyway. Okay, so okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so I'm assuming guys that you know how to do the chain. Okay, if not, I will be showing you. Okay, so we did the slip knot. Okay, so wrap your yarn, okay, into your hook and then twist it and then pull through. Okay, and then wrap your yarn, twist it, pull through. Yep, your yarn, twist it, pull through, so you can make it the tension of your chain, you can make it like tight or loose. Okay, so with us it's just like a normal one. Okay, so wrap your yarn, twist it and pull through. Okay, so for the beginners, okay, you have to practice this, making the chain. Okay, so from here we will be doing a double crochet. Okay, so making a double crochet after the chain, okay, you have to block this last stitch. Okay, last stitch, block it, and then you have to chain 3. Okay, that is count as double crochet. Okay, so and then after that wrap your yarn, okay, and then you have to go into the chain that you just blocked. Okay, and you have to make a double crochet. Okay, so making a double crochet, wrap your yarn, okay, insert your hook into the chain, okay, and then insert it and then wrap your yarn, pull through. Okay, now you have 3 loops on your hook, wrap your yarn, pull through, and then wrap your yarn, pull through 2. Okay, so it's the same, wrap your yarn, insert, wrap, pull through, 3 loops, wrap your yarn, pull through 2, wrap your yarn, pull through 2. Okay, so that is double crochet, and you just have to practice that. When you started, when you just started, it's it's not easy, but you just have to practice. I started this, I learned how to crochet when I was in high school. It was one of our subject when I was in third year in high school, and I took sewing, and part of that is crochet. So I did make a small one. Okay, so this is our double crochet. Okay, so from here we will be making our windows. Okay, so making a windows is chain 3. Okay, and then we have to add one more for the space. Okay, so chain 3 is count as double crochet, and then our chain 1. Okay, and then we have to skip 1. Okay, so skip 1 and then to the next double crochet. Okay, and then chain 1, skip 1, the next stitch, double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, the next stitch, double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, next stitch, double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 to the last one. So when you started, guys, as the same as when I started, you just have to take your time, and I think, and be patient. Okay, so like this one, sometimes in the end it's because it's like twisted, it's not easy. Okay, but you will get there. Okay, so I have that. I pull the sometimes it's just that doesn't listen. Okay, there you go. Okay, and then double crochet. Okay, now I'll show you. Now you can see the windows. Okay, so the first floor, the windows. Okay, we're going to the second floor. Okay, going to the second floor is chain 3. Okay, and we will be doing the same. Okay, double crochet in every stitch. So this one is we do have a chain 1, so we're going in that space and then make a double crochet. Okay, and then this double crochet on top of it will make a double crochet, and then the space, double crochet, and then the next double crochet on top of it, double crochet, the space, double crochet, the next double crochet, then double crochet. You just have to continue doing the double crochet, okay, in every stitch, okay, until you finish the row. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, and the last one. Double crochet. There you go. Okay, so after this is we will be doing our windows again. Okay, so making the windows, okay, as I said, chain 3 plus 1 for the space 1, okay, and then skip 1, okay, and then the next double crochet. So as you can see, on top of double crochet you have the double crochet, okay, chain 1, skip 1, on top of double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 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 and then the last double crochet. Okay, and then after that you have to make this double crochet again. Okay, so just repeat that, chain 3, okay, with the floor, okay, with the floor is you just have to chain 3, okay, with the window is chain 3 plus 1 for the chain, okay, for the space. Okay, so with this one is to the space, double crochet on top of the double crochet, double crochet, and to the space, double crochet on top of double crochet, double crochet, and then the space, double crochet, and double crochet until you finish the row. Okay, so the space, double crochet, just make sure that you don't skip. Okay, so when you're a beginner, okay, take your time, okay, just make sure that, okay, well, you are not skipping any chain, because it will make a difference when you skip, okay, and it will change your shape as well. Okay, so there you go. So that is how I did my building floor with windows. Okay guys, thank you very much, and if you like this video, please share my video and like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. Thank you very much guys, and until the next video, bye, have a lovely day.